Hey friend, pull up a chair because I need to have a real conversation with you today. If you've been laid off for 6 months or more, this video is specifically for you because nobody is talking about this part. And I need you to hear me. This is not your typical, here's how to update your resume advice. I've been in the career space long enough to know that what you're going through right now, it hits so different at the executive level. This isn't just a job search. It's an identity shift. It's financial pressure. It's waking up every morning wondering why somebody with your track record is still waiting on a callback. I've sat across from leaders who have closed 7-figure deals, run entire departments, turned broken teams into high performers, and they are 6 months out, still waiting to be selected. And that's the problem I want to dig into today. So let's talk about 5 things that actually help, not theory, things you can start shifting this week. Number 1, you got to stop thinking like a candidate and start thinking like a business. This is the one that changes everything. The executives I see staying stuck the longest, they're still approaching the market with a pick-me energy. Waiting to be chosen, applying and hoping. And I get it. That's the playbook we were all handed. That's the one that we're used to. But that playbook is costing you time. Your LinkedIn profile right now, does it sound like a resume? Or does it sound like a solution? Because there is a big difference. When I work with my clients on this, the shift is from here's what I've done to here's the problem that I solve and the results you're going to see. That one reframe opens up so many more doors than another application ever will. Number 2, you cannot wait for the right role to start generating income. Listen, I really need you to hear me on this one. I know project work might feel like a step down. I've heard it 100 times or more. Agent, I'm not a freelancer. I'm not looking for anything temporary. I hear you. But I want you to reframe that too. It's not a step down. This is a bridge. Companies right now are actively looking for experienced people to come in and solve specific problems fast. Interim support, strategic planning, process improvement, restructuring, even fractional work. Plenty of fractional COOs and CMOs and CFOs and la-di-dos, right? But platforms like Upwork, yes, that Upwork, they're not just for entry-level opportunities. There are plenty of executives and leaders who are putting their resources and information out there to get some contract work. I know senior leaders who've landed 5-figure consulting contracts from Upwork. The goal right now should be to stay in motion, stay relevant, and generate cash flow if you need it. Momentum is way more valuable than waiting for the perfect opportunity. Number 3, your network is your most valuable asset. Most of y'all are using it wrong if you're using it at all. Here's what I really see, and I've seen a lot of. Somebody reaches out to their network and they say, hey, let me know if you hear of anything. I really hate that. They wonder why nothing comes back. It's because that message doesn't work. It's not because your network doesn't care about you. They do. But you really leave it up to them to figure out how they can help you, and they're not going to. It doesn't give them anything to work with. They don't know what to do with let me know if you hear anything, so they don't do anything with it. What actually works? Specificity. Yes. Tell people exactly what kind of problems you solve, what you've done. Tell them the kind of organizations that you want to support, who you want to work with. Tell them whether you're open to consulting, contract work, even advisory work. When you do that, your network doesn't just think, I'll keep an eye out. They think, I know exactly who you need to talk to, and I'm going to put you in touch with them. That's the difference between a passive shout out and a warm handshake. Number 4. Friend, let's talk about your financial runway, because this is the part that gets real uncomfortable for people. If your severances run out and you're burning through savings now, this has got to be a part of your strategy conversation, not separate from it. I know the instinct is to either ignore it or panic cut everything, but neither of those serves you. And yes, you should reduce what's unnecessary. You got to stop balling, right? At least for now. But please don't cut the things that keep you visible, keep you in front of hiring managers, opportunities. Don't cancel the memberships that put you in rooms. Don't stop showing up online. Here's what I know for sure. Cutting expenses will help you last longer, but staying visible will help you land faster. You really need both of those running at the same time, so don't cut any of them out if you can help it. Number 5, and this is the one I really care about the most, protect your confidence and your peace. After 6 months, confidence and being laid off really stops being a strategy problem. It's a mindset problem. Uncertainty does something to you when it stretches out for that long. You start to second guess yourself. You start wondering if you really have it. I've had clients tell me, folks who are brilliant, accomplished, highly qualified folks that they felt like a fraud after this long of searching. The longer it took, the more they internalized as something being wrong with them, right? Not that this economy and this market is crazy. Doubt creeps in, imposter syndrome whispers get louder, but I need you to hear me clearly. This is not you. It is the market. And y'all, market shift. But here's what I also know. Your confidence shows up externally. It shows up in how you talk about yourself or not, in how you position yourself or not, in the energy you bring to conversations. And when that confidence quietly starts to slip, people feel it. Opportunities start to feel farther away. So stay connected to other high-level professionals, folks who are in that same vein of thinking. Keep your thinking sharp. Keep showing up even when results feel slow, because you're not starting over. You're leveling up with more information than you had before. This season, as hard as it might feel right now, is not a reflection of your ability at all. It is a shift. And shifts require you to evolve your approach, not abandon who you are. So reposition yourself as a business, create income while you search, use your network with precision, manage your runway and your visibility. And please, please, please protect your confidence and your peace like they're the most valuable assets, because they are. You're not just trying to get through this. You're trying to come out of it stronger than you went in. Drop a comment below if this hits home. I read all these comments. And if you want a copy of my playbook for career reset resources that includes LinkedIn profile optimization strategies, a guide to help you infuse storytelling in your about section, and even a 15-minute daily LinkedIn routine so it doesn't seem so overwhelming, just drop reset in the chat and I'll DM it straight to you. Take care.